Today we're going to be lasting the Air Jordan 1s. What's up, welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to hit that like button, turn on notifications. Today we're going to be lasting the Candy Cane Jordan 1s. As you can see, it is all finished, it's ready to be lasted. All I got to do is punch the holes out for the laces on each side, as well as get the laces ready, throw those in. We already got our lasting board on top of our last, so we could last the Air Jordan 1 on top of it. If you're interested in lasting your own stuff, I got board, I got nails, and all the tools up on my website down in the description, so go check it out. But this is what we're working with. We got our last, already traced out the lasting board. For the lasting board, I just put on a piece of paper, I trace it out on the paper, I cut out the pattern, put it on the bottom, make sure that it fits perfectly from there, cut it on the lasting board, and the lasting board's ready. As you can see, I just got all my nails bolted down, hit down. I just use normal nails. They're all up on my website if you're interested in getting your own lasting nails. But this is all ready, so I'm going to start punching the holes for this. So just like that, all the holes are punched. So the laces are on. As you can see, they're looking nice and ugly. So we'll be changing them out with either white laces or red laces. I'm not too sure yet. I'll pick those once it's all lasted up and ready to go. But for right now, as you can see, I just got my main nails all in. As you can see, the front is a little crooked, and that's one thing that we're gonna be fixing when we last it all up. So I'm gonna start lasting. Real quick, if you're interested in making your own shoe, go check out my class. The link's in the description. It's a full-on class from start to finish on how to make your own shoe. So if you want to go do that, make your own pairs of shoes, something that no one's seen before, go check it down, and let's get back to the video. So as you can see, it's all finished now. We got the under looking like that. We got all the nails in. Shoes coming out very nice so far. Starting to look more like an Air Jordan 1. These are the Air Jordan 1 highs. Candy cane edition. We got the split on the back, split on the nose, so it's coming along really nicely. I got all the nails on the inside. All the glue on the bottom is now drying off, and we're just gonna wait for that to settle. Once that's all done, I'm gonna take all the nails out, re-glue the bottom, and then it'll be ready to put the sole on. So now that all the glue is dried on the bottom, just gonna peel it all over so it sticks to the bottom of the last. Peel that all down. Come back in with the hammer and just press it down. And there you go. So it's now all pressed down, nice and even. And now it's time to take all the nails out. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. The next video that I'm gonna be posting about these are gonna be me putting the soles onto these, finishing them up. I'm gonna go with white and red soles, throwing those on. They'll be all finished. I'll have some different laces on as well. And then the next video that will be probably coming after this are the Grinch shoes, so stay tuned. But thanks for checking this out, and go check out some more videos.